Hi, my name is Jovitan Dicosta. I am from xRapid Media. We have incubated our startup at Don Bosco Fire Incubator Center. We help the Goan Konkani artists to launch their YouTube channels and content creation. Our primary goal is to get all the Goan artists on the YouTube platform and make them aware of the digital media. So during the lockdown, most of the Konkani dramas was totally stopped. The Konkani artists were not having any revenue source. So at that time, we helped many new Konkani artists to come on YouTube and help them to generate some revenue. One of my friends, his name is Angelo Cardozo. People know him by the name Music Doctor. He used to play in the Konkani dramas. So he was having contact of most of the Konkani theatrists. So during the lockdown, he had started his music studio wherein all the Konkani artists used to come to record their song. And I used to do their videography and set up their YouTube channel and do the promotion. Earlier, people were not having good internet connectivity. Actually, I am the one who brought the internet connectivity in my village by setting up Geo Tower. And Father Dominic Carvalho, he used to be my friend. He used to be in Chandor Paloti Center. He was the first one who started a YouTube channel in Chandor. His was a devotional YouTube channel, and we were having very tough time uploading the videos. We used to come all the way from Chandor to Margaon to upload the videos and sit near the tower with the laptop and upload the videos. It was a very hectic process. Then when to the panchayat we approved the tower and set up the when people had the access to the internet, slowly we realized that later on many people will get the internet. So we pitched to the Konkani artist that they can get some revenue from the YouTube if they upload their videos. Like for example, some Konkani artists had produced many DVDs and they were just lying idle, not generating any revenue. There was one person who had produced 3 DVDs and he had not earned any profit from that. I helped him to get more than 1 lakh within a period of 3 months by setting up his YouTube channel from scratch and getting him 5,000 plus subscribers. And today he is running his channel on his own. The first one who got on board is Ellison Di Curtori. He was the one who used to fight with his political songs. Initially, when someone wants to start a YouTube channel, they have some problem like they don't know the technical things, how to set up the channel, how to do the monetization, how to get the AdSense code and all. So we help them to properly connect with the right people, right from the studio to the videography till uploading. This first guy, that is Ellison Di Curtori, he was having a live Konkani show. So he wanted to do some promotion of his concert. So from there I helped him, I told him that we can start a YouTube channel and do the same on the digital platform. During the lockdown, almost entire Goa was on shutdown, but our studio in Chandor, run by my friend Angelo Cardozo, people know him as Music Doctor, and almost entire Konkani industry theatrist has visited his studio and recorded songs. So there people like Lori Travaso, they used to come with their videos and we used to help them to upload, promote and distribute on the digital platforms. So during the lockdown, Mr. Lori Travaso had like less than 10,000 subscribers, but he regularly came to the studio and uploaded the song and managed to get 20,000 plus subscribers. The theatrists used to work in 2 ways. Either they used to hire their own videographer and get their video footages. Then we used to do the promotion in the studio During the lockdown, what happened, people were mostly idle at home, so they were having lot of time. So anytime you upload any new song, it used to immediately get 10,000 to 15,000 views within midnight, because there were less videos getting uploaded during the lockdown. Only few who could manage to get the videography done during this lockdown had managed to get a lot of views and earn a good revenue. After the Jio 4G launch, due to the subsidized internet plans, most of the people have access to the internet. Earlier in my own village, as I told you, there was no problem due to the internet. So many older generation also were having a smartphone, and they were watching the online daily TV mass and all. The Goan Konkani theatre hours, they were the most viewers who used to watch the videos. Actually, the theatrists waited for long. They wanted to come in front of the people and perform. When they couldn't come on the stage, they thought that YouTube will be the right platform to stay connected with their fans. During the pandemic, a lot of new YouTubers came on YouTube for the first time with their songs, and since then the place of on the YouTube is filled by the new YouTubers who are also very creative. So the professional theatrists have gone back to perform on the stage, but we have these new YouTubers who are regularly uploading the videos. So there is no shortage of new content on YouTube. There is one famous theatrist. His name is Francis Detoué. His YouTube channel someone hacked, and all his entire work got deleted from YouTube. It was hacked, and the YouTube channel was replaced by a name of a cryptocurrency, and all the videos were lost. He was very tense. Someone told him that there is a person in Chandor who will fix his problem. So within a period of 1 week, I contacted the YouTube support team, explaining them the situation. There were many chats, emails transferred between the support team, and somehow I managed to get access restored back to his account, and he was very happy. And he is more happy because the channel got restored on the feast of Saint Anthony, on the day when he had uploaded his first song. It's like a miracle to him. I am in a process of developing an app to help the Goan Konkani artists to get a better revenue than YouTube. Like Hotstar, I want to have a own platform developed for our Goan Konkani artists, so that they can get more revenue, because right now at this stage they are not able to recover what they put in the production of the songs. Only to sponsorship, I think they are managed to get a little income. We are also in a process of developing VR technology with a drone, wherein we want to give virtual experience to the tourists who want to come to visit Goa. We are planning to set up in the places where tourists can just virtually take a tour of Goa. So YouTube platform has developed technology to detect copyright issues and all, wherein if someone copies your video and upload on their channel, there is a tool in the YouTube IT studio wherein they will show you who has copied your song, and you can immediately either raise a dispute and remove that song from that other channel. There is one person by name snake catcher Rinku Kumar. He is now become famous all over Goa by rescuing the snakes and saving the wildlife. For him, I started the YouTube channel. I help him with 25 video of the snake rescue operation I filmed for him. Then later on, I train him how to shoot the videos, do the editing, and upload the video by himself. So today he is self-independent, and now he has purchased professional video camera, and he is doing he's handling his own YouTube channel, and one of his YouTube video has crossed 2 million views. Our main aim is to help the Goan art and culture, and helping the Goan artist to generate revenue with different digital platforms. Fire has provided us the infrastructure to set up our office at the prime location in the city, wherein we have a dedicated 24/7 internet plus high-end rendering machine which can export videos in a fraction of a minute rather than waiting for hours, and providing the support what we need to run the startup, Fire is always ready to help us. So anyone wants to start their YouTube channel, make sure that you upload at least one video a week and do not give up. Continue it for at least 6 months to 1 year, and surely one of your video will get 1 million views, and whatever efforts and hard work what we have put in building your channel, you will get the reward. Our main aim is to promote our Konkani language, wherein there are very few people now speaking Konkani. They have switched to English, and our Konkani is our mother tongue, and we have to preserve the rich heritage and culture. And YouTube is the good platform wherein we can through our Konkani songs, dramas, plays. This is my drive of preserving our Konkani language.